Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Honda Odyssey. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda is a great value with less than 26,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, OnStar, universal remote, DVD player, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.